Bertha Wilson was sworn in as the first female judge on the Supreme Court of Canada. She had immigrated to Canada in 1949 after graduating from university in her native Scotland. Kent Roach served as a law clerk to Justice Wilson.
I had the privilege of working for her for about 11 months. I'd like to think I would have taken a bullet for her, but I think at the end she shook my hand and gave me a box of Scottish shortbread. That was my going away gift. So I always thought that, yes, it obviously matters that women are on the court.
Yet Bertha Wilson faced a lot of resistance when named to the Supreme Court. Author and distinguished professor at the University of Ottawa, Constance Backhouse.
When Bertha Wilson took a seat on the Supreme Court of Canada, many people challenged it and said she was just not fit, not a good appointee. And I think there was an awkwardness around her. Her fellow judges really weren't quite sure how to treat her. There was a sense of discomfort. A change had come over this all-male institution where they used to sit around and drink brandy at the end of a day and, tell off-color jokes and talk about sports. And Bertha Wilson was interested in ballet and music. She was just not in their same circle. And I think that, they felt it was an intrusion.
Wilson's appointment did make a difference for women arguing before the court.
I think certainly when Bertha Wilson went on the Supreme Court, a lot of the feminist lawyers said we can make different arguments. We couldn't make them before an all-male bench of judges. They wouldn't understand. We'd have had to go back to A, B, C. But with Bertha Wilson there, we can jump to D right away and say, here's the problem, and here's what we think the solution is. So it makes a difference to have representatives.